Andrew of the Maple Leaf Customs YouTube channel has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, this is the box of stuff that I sent to him. And here's what he did with it. This is amazing and far beyond my wildest dreams for this build. But let me tell you the backstory, according to Andrew. It's the year 2323, and several devastating nuclear wars have rendered what's left of humanity in a near totally annihilated state. In this post-apocalyptic world, the apes have already risen to dominance, discovered the power of speech, and fallen, their greatest legacy having been leaving the ruins of the Statue of Liberty sunken in the sand of a Manhattan beach. The mole people, mutant underground dwellers, also had their moment in the sun, so to speak, before being usurped by the K people. These lawless, marauding mercenaries are the survivors who currently sit atop the food chain, wielding their own form of justice with no accountability. Peanut butter has become a commodity more valuable than gold, used mainly as a 1500 SPS sunblock. For obvious reasons, crunchy is outlawed, and the K people buy and trade smoothie. The one who has accumulated the most of this precious condiment becomes the undisputed leader. Due to the moon-like global landscape, all-terrain vehicles have become the transport means of choice, and a line of rough but durable K-trucks have risen to the status of being the most reliable. The K7 has undergone dozens of transmogrifications, and Immortan K, the ruthless leader of the clan, ordered the construction of what has become the instantly recognizable, unstoppable, and iconic Wastelands war rig, the Giga 7. It's a highly weaponized assault vehicle capable of running over or through anything in its path. Two scrapped Porsches serve as side-mounted protective armor secured by chains. Rear-mounted machine guns take care of any unfortunate tailgaters. A front-mounted Gatling gun housed in a custom turret eliminates any foes within sight, and four Sidewinder missiles can vaporize painted targets in far front with pinpoint accuracy. But the main payload is the rear upper bed-mounted rocket launcher. Its legendary capability is enough to dissuade any would-be challengers, but when the red switch is flipped and the rockets are free to do what rockets do best, their target, or targets, instantly become stains on the scorched earth terrain. Two fleet cars, both stripped-down Porsche 917s, flank the Giga 7 at all times, serving almost exclusively as emblems of prestige. Unsurprisingly, the Porsche has endured as the model of choice for wasteland autocrats and peanut butter gatherers all around what's left of the world. This build is fantastic, Andrew. I was looking forward to seeing what you would do with the K7, and I'm thrilled with the results. Everyone, be sure and check out Andrew's channel. Links to his channel and his other social media accounts are in the description or in the comments to the video. Everybody, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I do. And stay safe and healthy out there. I'll catch you in the next one.